हेलो एंड वेलकम एवरीवन। सो नेशनल पार्क्स की सीरीज को कंटिन्यू करते हुए आज डिस्कस करेंगे नेशनल पार्क्स ऑफ वेस्ट बंगाल। इसके अलावा दूसरी स्टेट्स के नेशनल पार्क्स की वीडियोस आप इस चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट नेशनल पार्क्स ऑफ इंडिया पर देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का लेक्चर। सो एज यू कैन सी इन दिस मैप देयर आर टोटल 6 नेशनल पार्क्स इन वेस्ट बंगाल। दीज आर सुंदरबन नेशनल पार्क, सिंगालीला नेशनल पार्क, न्योरा वैली नेशनल पार्क, गोरुमारा नेशनल पार्क, जल्दापारा नेशनल पार्क एंड बक्सा नेशनल पार्क। एंड टुडे विल डिस्कस ईच ऑफ दीज इन डेप्थ। अब यहाँ एक पॉइंट नोटिस करो कि सुंदरबन नेशनल पार्क को छोड़कर वेस्ट बंगाल के बाकी सारे नेशनल पार्क इसके नदरन रीजन में लोकेटेड है, राइट? सो लेट अस स्टार्ट टुडेस डिस्कशन विद सुंदरबन नेशनल पार्क। Okay, so starting with the Sundarban National Park, first of all its location. This national park is located in the South 24 Parganas district of West Bengal and a small area of it is also located in the North 24 Parganas district. But overall, majorly it is located in the South 24 Parganas district. Now coming to its important facts. This national park is very important because of the various tags associated with it. So first of all, it was established as a tiger reserve in the year 1973. And thereafter it was declared as a national park in the year 1984. And thereafter in the year 1987 it was declared as UNESCO's Natural World Heritage Site. Okay, and in the year 1989 it was given the status of Biosphere Reserve. And in the year 2019 it was given the status of Ramsar Site. Right? So you can see this national park is very important. अब यहाँ आपको ये ईयर्स याद नहीं रखने, आई हैव मेंशन्ड इट जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन। बस आप यहाँ ये याद रखो कि सुंदरबन नेशनल पार्क एक टाइगर रिजर्व है, यूनेस्को वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट है, बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व है एंड रामसर साइट है। दैट्स ऑल। दिस मच इन्फॉर्मेशन इज सफिशिएंट। यू डू नॉट नीड टू रिमेंबर दिस ईयर्स, राइट? नाउ कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, that the name Sundarban is derived from the Sundari trees which are found abundantly here, right? Next point is Sundarban National Park is a part of Sundarbans. Sundarbans is the largest delta in the world formed by the convergence of Ganga and Brahmaputra river system. Okay, so these are the important facts. Now coming to the associated rivers. So Sundarban National Park is bordered on the west by the river Malta and on the east by the rivers Kalindi, Harinbhanga and Raimongal. Right, and these rivers also form the international boundary with the Sundarbans of Bangladesh. Okay, so these are the associated rivers with this national park. Next, coming to the flora and fauna. So main flora of Sundarban National Park is mangrove forests. Various species of mangrove trees are found here. Right. Next, coming to fauna. So in fauna we see Bengal tigers, leopards, fishing cats, wild boars, saltwater crocodiles, gangetic and Irrawaddy dolphins, freshwater turtles like soft shell turtle, sea turtles like olive ridley turtles, reptiles like water monitor lizard, and various species of fish, crabs and mollusks, right? So this is the fauna, and out of these the main one is Bengal tigers and saltwater crocodiles. And also आप इनका यहाँ IUCN स्टेटस भी देख सकते हैं। बंगाल टाइगर्स का IUCN स्टेटस है इंडेंजर्ड एंड सॉल्ट वाटर क्रोकोडाइल्स का IUCN स्टेटस है लीस्ट कंसर्न, राइट? Also, in Sundarban National Park, over 200 species of birds are found, and these are various species of sandpipers, eagles, spoonbills, herons, ducks, geese, etc. Right? So this is all about the Sundarban National Park. So after Sundarban National Park, we'll discuss the national park of this region, and इन्हें हम east to west discuss करेंगे. Starting with the Singalila National Park, thereafter न्योरा Valley National Park, after that Gorumara National Park, thereafter Jaldapara National Park, and the last Buxa National Park. Okay, so Singalila National Park. This national park is located in the Darjeeling district of West Bengal on the Singalila Ridge in the eastern Himalayan region. तो ये नेशनल पार्क लोकेटेड है दार्जिलिंग डिस्ट्रिक्ट में ऑन द सिंगलीला रिज जो कि है ईस्टर्न हिमालयन रीजन में. Next, this national park is bordered on the north by Sikkim and on the west by Nepal. Right? So this is about its location. Now coming to its important facts. Singalila National Park was declared as a national park in the year 1992. Next point is that it is considered as the highest altitude national park in West Bengal. तो सिंगलीला नेशनल पार्क वेस्ट बंगाल का हाईएस्ट ऑल्टीट्यूड नेशनल पार्क है एज इट इज लोकेटेड एट द एल्टीट्यूड ऑफ 7,000 feet above sea level. Right? Next point is that two highest peaks of West Bengal are located inside the park. These are Sandakphu Peak and Falut Peak. These are the two highest peaks of West Bengal which are located inside the Singalila National Park. So this is about its important facts. Next, coming to the associated rivers and flora and fauna. So the rivers associated with Singalila National Park are Ramam and Srikhola. So river Ramam and river Srikhola flow through this national park, right? Now coming to flora में यहाँ मिलते हैं thick bamboo, oak, magnolia and rhododendron forest. मैग्नोलिया के क्रीमी एंड पिंकिश कलर के फ्लावर्स होते हैं, एंड रोडोडेंड्रोन के भी बहुत ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर्स होते हैं. Next point is about Sandakphu, and as we have already read, Sandakphu is the highest peak of West Bengal. And Sandakphu is also known as mountain of poisonous plants due to large concentration of Himalayan cobra lilies, right? So because of the presence of Himalayan cobra lilies, this mountain is also known as mountain of poisonous plants. So this is all about the flora. Next, coming to the fauna. So the major fauna of Singalila National Park is red panda, leopard, barking deer, wild boar, yellow-throated marten, pangolin, Himalayan black bear, clouded leopard, etc. And here some 120 species of birds are also found, including many rare species like scarlet minivet, Khalij pheasant, blood pheasant, etc. So this is about fauna, and this is all about the Singalila National Park of West Bengal. Next, Neora Valley National Park. This national park is located in the Kalimpong district of West Bengal, and it shares its border with Sikkim in the north and Bhutan in the east. Right, so this is about its location. Next, coming to facts, this national park was established in the year 1986. And next point is that Ruchela Danda is the highest point of this national park. Okay, so highest point of Neora Valley National Park is Ruchela Danda. Now coming to the associated river, so Neora river flows through this national park. Okay, अब इसके बाद देखते हैं इसका फ्लोरा एंड फोना. फ्लोरा में हम मिलते हैं ट्रॉपिकल, सब टेम्परेट एंड टेम्परेट वेजिटेशन, एंड some major tree species are rhododendron, bamboo, oak, ferns, sal, orchids, etc. So this is about flora. Now coming to fauna. Fauna में यहाँ मिलते हैं red pandas, clouded leopard, black bear, sloth bear, wild boar, musk deer, sambar deer, etc. Right? Out of these, most important is red panda. Thereafter, Neora Valley National Park is also considered as birders' paradise because of various species of birds that are found here. For example, tragopan, woodpeckers, cuckoos, etc. Right? So this is all about the Neora Valley National Park. So till now we have discussed 3 national parks of West Bengal. These are Sundarban, Singalila and Neora Valley National Park. Next 3 which we are going to discuss now are Gorumara, Jaldapara and Buxa National Park. Starting with the Gorumara National Park, this national park is located in the Jalpaiguri district of West Bengal in the Terai region or the Dwars region of Himalayan foothills, right? So Jalpaiguri district and in the Terai region of Himalayan foothills. Gorumara was declared as a national park in the year 1994. Right, coming to the associated rivers. So first of all, this national park is located on the flood plains of Murti and Raidak river. तो मूर्ति और रायदक रिवर के फ्लड प्लेस पर ये लोकेटेड है. बट द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट रिवर ऑफ गोरुमारा नेशनल पार्क इज द जल्दका रिवर. जल्दका रिवर फ्लोज थ्रू इट एंड दिस इज द ट्रिब्यूटर ऑफ ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर. ओके, कमिंग टू फ्लोरा एंड फोना. तो फ्लोरा में यहाँ मिलते हैं साल फॉरेस्ट with tree species like common teak, rain tree, silk cotton trees, bamboo groves, trai grassland vegetation, etc. Right? So this is the flora. Coming to fauna, तो fauna में हम मिलते हैं rhinoceros, gour, Asian elephant, sloth bear, deer species like cheetal deer, sambar deer, barking deer, hog deer. Thereafter wild boar, leopards, etc. Right? And there are various species of birds that are found here. For example, scarlet minivet, Asian paradise flycatcher, great Indian hornbill, woodpeckers, pheasants, peafowls, etc. Right? So this is about its fauna. अब यहाँ आपको हर एक नेशनल पार्क का इतना सारा फोना याद नहीं रखना है. हर एक नेशनल पार्क का जो मेन फोना है, कोई करेक्टरिस्टिक स्पीशीज है, बस उसे ही याद रखना है. बिकॉज मोर और लेस तो फोना सेम ही है, पर कोई डिफरेंट स्पीशीज है, कोई करेक्टरिस्टिक फोना है किसी नेशनल पार्क का, बस उसे ही याद रखना है. बाकी सबका एक आइडिया रखना है. राइट? So this is all about the Gormura National Park. Next is Jaldapara National Park. This national park is located in the Alipurdwar district of West Bengal in the foothills of Eastern Himalayas. Okay, so Alipurdwar district in the foothills of Eastern Himalayas. Now coming to its facts, Jaldapara was declared as a national park in the year 2012. Now next point is very important. Jaldapara holds the second highest rhinoceros population in India after Kaziranga National Park of Assam. तो इंडिया में हाईएस्ट राइनोसोरस पॉपुलेशन देखने को मिलती है इन काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क ऑफ असम, और उसके बाद सेकंड हाईएस्ट राइनोसोरस पॉपुलेशन मिलती है इन जल्दापारा नेशनल पार्क ऑफ वेस्ट बंगाल. ओके, सो दिस पॉइंट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, डू रिमेंबर दिस. नेक्स्ट इज एसोसिएटेड रिवर. सो रिवर टोरसा फ्लोज थ्रू दिस नेशनल पार्क एंड दिस पॉइंट इज ऑल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट. रिवर टोरसा फ्लोज थ्रू दी जल्दापारा नेशनल पार्क. इसके बाद देखते हैं इसका फ्लोरा एंड फोना. फ्लोरा में यहाँ मिलते हैं सवाना फॉरेस्ट कवर्ड विद टॉल एलिफेंट ग्रास. Okay, thereafter fauna, as we have already discussed, one horned rhinoceros is the main fauna of Jaldapara National Park. And इसके अलावा यहाँ मिलते हैं Bengal tigers, elephants, deer species like sambar deer, barking deer, spotted deer, hog deer. Thereafter wild pig, bisons, etc. And some bird species that are found here are Bengal florican, crested eagle, jungle fowl, peafowl, etc. Okay, so this is about its fauna, and this is all about the Jaldapara National Park. Coming to the sixth and the last national park for today, Buxa National Park. First of all, its location. So like Jaldapara National Park, Buxa National Park is also located in the Alipurduar district of West Bengal. Okay, now coming to its important facts. Buxa was declared as a national park in the year 1992. And Buxa National Park is also a tiger reserve, right? Next point is Sinchula Hill Range lies all along the northern side. So Buxa National Park के northern side पर देखने को मिलती है Sinchula Hill Range. Next point is Buxa National Park is bordered on the north by Bhutan and on the east by Assam. इसके north में है Phipso Wildlife Sanctuary of Bhutan and इसके east में है Manas National Park of Assam. Okay. Next is Buxa National Park serves as an international corridor for elephant migration between India and Bhutan. Right, so Buxa National Park serves as a corridor for elephant migration between India and Bhutan. Next is the associated rivers. So there are some rivers which flows through this national park, and some of them are Sankosh, Raidak, and Jayanti. Okay, so Sankosh, Raidak, and Jayanti rivers flows through this national park. अब इसके बाद देखते हैं इसका फ्लोरा एंड फोना. फ्लोरा में यहाँ मिलते हैं 8 डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फॉरेस्ट लाइक डेसिडियस फॉरेस्ट, एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट, एक्सेट्रा. And some main tree species are sal, chump, simul, chikrasi, etc. Right? And fauna में यहाँ मिलते हैं Asian elephant, tiger, gour, wild boar, sambar deer, wild dog or dhole, clouded leopard, giant squirrel, etc. Right? So this is about its flora and fauna, and this is all about Buxa National Park. So here we come to the end of today's lecture. We have discussed all 6 national parks of West Bengal. I hope आपको ये lecture useful लगा होगा. इसी तरह से हम बाकी स्टेट्स के नेशनल पार्क्स भी डिस्कस करेंगे. सो डू सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल, कीप वॉचिंग एंड कीप लर्निंग. थैंक यू सो मच.